Hello guys, this is Follow Your Dream Maker. Different today, I'll make this video special. This video today because look at sorry. That's happened last year. One time when living here in my apartment place. Look at outside. You see it raining and blow like that. It's not really good for Grand Rapids that happened. Subscribe guys. Por entonces yo la te video, make a comment below. Press the bell, receive notification every time I make a new video. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Look it outside. I don't know, maybe it's a tornado thing. Someone sit down 2 minutes ago. He had to walk to the house. It's raining too hard. Look at outside, guys. I put a little bit more close, and you see the tree right now is not really good idea. Let me see, I can put it out there. Look at that. The winds. I love God creation, but sometimes when we not doing the right thing our whole life, God demonstration how strong He is to show you that. Look at that tree right there. Move the leaves, move. You see that smoke right there? Last year, I see a thunderstorm come, break that tree right there. And what I remember in there, it leave an eagle with white and blue and yellow. Now it's not longer in there, probably died because it destroyed that tree. Now that's from apartments that I think it is. Put a little bit more and the line come down. And I spent today raining like that, try to figure out making new videos. But what is coming like that, you can spester anything. Maybe the light come off, but pray God everybody's safe in their house, because look at that. Look at how far the wind is gone. Flies so hard. 2 minutes ago, too close my windows because it's really too strong wind and pull my style off. I have to close the windows. My carpet's wet, and that's outside. Look at that. That is insane. I never see Grand Rapids like that. Last time see Grand Rapids like that is last year, and all the light off, everything, you can see anything bright. Everybody's safe in the home, warm. The sunlight thing again. Whoa, that is incredible. That's all the tree right there. And you don't see moving right now, but 2 minutes ago that happened so fast. Jesus. Sorry for not recording in the morning. I'm really a lot of stuff. I have to clean my house, I have to cook. I'll be single mom 24 hours. You see the clouds moving. I sometimes see the clouds looking at a video or something like that, or a movie. Somebody move the clouds. You see the cloud move. You see that? You see that? Whoa, you see that? Whoa. That's the sky. Well, I see something. You see that? And the sky. Whoa, that's really nice stuff. Oh, that's cool. Man, with my camera you can see the sky. Look at light in the sky. Somebody look at me record right now, but try to record outside the most as possible I can. Look at that winds. Man, that's insane. Man, I never see Grand Rapids. Right now it's a little bit raining a little bit, but man, that's wow. You see the tree move. It's just tree right now. Let's start moving. I'm making my food 2 minutes ago. I live in my room, but I told myself, hey, well, go to this because I never see that before. But I love God creation, no matter what it is. But sometimes we pass, sometimes we are empty, we don't have time to listen God to, hey, I'm here, you're special, I want to you listen to me, and call you to come in my house and go my hands, open hands, and forgive you everything, give you the love and compassion, everything you need. And that's what happened when somebody, not Sister Cheese, and somebody died when I mercy and lost God, the angel cried. You hear that? That's God cry every time someone and listen to him. Nobody care him, and God cried.
Mom?
What? It's nice.
You're recording?
Yes, I am. Pick it up, girl. Pick it up.
So, guys, we're on my mom's channel. If you notice, it's raining, it's super windy, and one piece of thunder striked.
Nice.
It is very dangerous for anybody to be outside right now. Anybody outside is dangerous.
The carpet's wet.
Oh, that was because juice.
Pick it up, Dad.
Oh yeah, anybody.
Move that stuff that we can pass and not get hurt.
So yeah, guys.
Man.
Anybody outside right now is gonna be soup. Did that car literally just ride out of here?
Yeah, the thunder come down now. Look at that outside.
If they want to be safe, they better stay here.
But inside.
Oh.
Do you see that, guys?
And guys.
Thunder.
Thunder, rain, and
Storm raining.
yeah. Guys, who knows what's gonna happen next? Tornado?
That's happening here. That we're not gonna survive, man. That can't happen,
wait,
Grand Rapids.
tornadoes should
That
be
can't happen, Grand Rapids.
yeah.
This happen, Grand Rapids. We're not available. And remember, we leave it too close to the park. It's our river in the back. You not remember that?
Tornadoes should start at South America or South Africa. Well, somewhere near South Africa, actually. So, we don't know if something's happening with the weather or something's happening with the world.
This happened because it's too hot outside, Elias. It's too
You
hot.
really mistake me of Elias.
It's too
Oh yeah,
hot.
Elias is kill 500.
Really too hot.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave because I don't want to get in this thunder stuff.
That's really, really too high. And Puerto Rico is 102 the hot, and more heat is possible we have thunder Thunderstorm because that's so hot outside. Look at that. Remember guys, subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like the video, make a comment below. I'm gonna make more videos like that when I make it possible. Subscribe, put a thumbs up if you like the video, make a comment below. Press the bell, you see notification every time I make a new video. 5 minutes Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See you next time guys. So look at that outside. Yeah, and the video with this outside. But you can see that I can't too close to the window because it's storm and the phone is a metal thing. You wanna be safe. Be safe guys. You hear that? And you see outside. Look at that. And that's the end to the video. Be safe, stay at home, please not be doing crazy stuff. God bless you and see you next time.